welcome back to my channel. My name is Magdala, and in today's video I am going to be rearranging my makeup space. Now, if you've seen my last video, you've seen that I bought a bunch of makeup, plus I have been just buying here and there little makeups, and my vanity need help. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I literally have no more space to even do my makeup. And I didn't want to go buy a new vanity one because things are hard these days, okay? These vanities are super expensive, and also I like how small my vanity is. It kind of don't take a lot of space in my room, which I love. So I went and bought a bookcase on Target. I know you can't see that, and I'm not about to lift it. I'll show you later. This is just like the three shelf bookcase. I'm gonna put it over there so I can place my makeup. I'm not gonna lie, I have been dreading this for a few weeks now, but it's reached a time where I cannot stay and not do it, because I have been doing my makeup in the bathroom and other spaces because my vanity is full. And today, that's when I decided I will get it done. So thank you for helping me. Alright guys, I am all done building this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start arranging my makeup, so come along. So I just realized that this brown part was supposed to be on the other side because it has a white, but I'm not going to fix it. It's gonna stay like that. This is the new style, and it looks cute. Brown is beautiful, so we're gonna leave it like that. I did buy a few things to arrange my makeup, so let's do a quick little haul. So first, I bought these 3 containers. They are from Didi's, and I bought it for $6.99. It has some hair tie, cotton pads, and cotton swab, and once they're done, obviously I can replace them. Next, I have this organizer. I think I'm gonna put like lip gloss, mascara on it and whatnot. I think I got this one from Ross, and it's for $3.99. I got these from Amazon. I don't remember how much they cost, but it's less than 10 for sure. They're just organizers for my eyeshadow palettes, or whatever palettes that I have. I got a big one and a smaller one. Last but not least, I got these 4 organizers. They are from Amazon. I can't remember how much they are, and they're for my brushes. Honestly, I don't think I have that many brushes to use all 4, so I'll probably only use 2, but the 4 was super cheap compared to like if I were to buy them one by one, so I just got the pack of 4. Alright, so I literally have no idea how I want to fix everything. Also, I had some like leftover, I don't want to say leftover, but I had some container that I used to use. I'm still gonna use this if I need to. I just thought I needed some new ones that I didn't have. Let's get started. Alright, so I have this container that I just cleaned out. I think I'm just gonna put it right there and put all my foundation in. Alright, next I have this container. It's a little spinny one. I'm gonna put highlighters, concealer, and any like primer I have that can stand. I'm gonna put them in there. Alright, so for this one, I'm just gonna put it right here and put all my eyeshadows. Let's see. I'm not putting them by anything, honestly. I'm just putting stuff to kind of like clean the space. And I'm trying to put what I use the most up front. Alright, and for this one, I'm just gonna use any small things that I have. Like the little cheeks blushes. I also still have a couple of eyeshadow left. Honestly, I'm just gonna see if I can put 2 in one. Alright, so this is already like this. It has lip gloss and lipstick. I think I'm gonna leave it like that and honestly just add to it. Alright, and this container, I'm gonna try and put all my powders here and see if that works. Alright guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I did go ahead and put some of my lip glosses in here and some of the serums that I use all the time. And then for the bottom, I'm just gonna keep some of my big bottles, like my toner, serums, because it's like super easy to reach, so I should be fine. Let's tackle this drawer. I just had a few things in there. This is some extra. This drawer, honestly, I'm just gonna keep it like that, just for extra stuff that I have, and you never know, whenever I need them, I can just, you know, take them out. Alright, so this is how everything is looking. Over here, I have my foundation. This has concealer, primer, and moisturizer, and also my contours and color corrector right here. I have all the powders and bronzer in this area. Right here, I just have a few serums and lip glosses. The second shelf, I have my eyeliner, some lipsticks and lip gloss, and then I have my eyeshadow palette and blush palettes. And then at the very bottom, I have some of my skincare. I still have a few to put in there, that's why it looks kind of empty. And then right here, just a few extra stuff that I have. And on my desk, it's currently empty right now, which is awesome. I just have my brushes and a few beauty blender. I have this little quote by Coco Chanel that says, "Beauty begins at the moment you decide to be yourself." And I thought it was super cute, so I'm just gonna place it right here. I feel like I need some sort of plan, so I'll be right back. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I want to hear your opinion about what do you think of my whole makeup vanity situation. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post content. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you next time.